Hello, my dear viewers, and today we're going to have a look at the villa that I filmed about 8 months ago in a separate video. This villa is located about 300 to 400 meters away from the ocean in a wonderful and beautiful location. It has just been finished right now. It's in the process of wrapping things up. Also nearby, we have 2 access points to the main road. It's a very quiet and peaceful location. This home is almost complete. All they have to do is do all the lawn work, the landscaping, which won't take that much, plus the insides, do some plumbing work. And it is ready to be listed on the market, and the price for this home is $390,000 US. I'm going to show you inside what it's like, and the price of course can be discussed and negotiated, but that's for later. And let's go have a look, shall we? Now this villa right here has its own plot of land, about 600 square meters. And here's the front yard, how it's gonna look. We have a swimming pool. They already put the water in there. They need to do a little filtration work with the pool, and the water will be azure blue. Now it took about 10 months to build this home right here. And there were certain issues with the documentation and the financing, but that was all solved. And a typical construction job like this in the Dominican Republic takes anywhere from about 8 to 10 months. Tops maybe 1 year. I'd like to remind you guys that the surface area of this home is 225 square meters, and that's everything included. In the previous video I said that the surface area of this home is 180 square meters, but that's with like the terrace and all this front stuff that you see right here. That's included with everything. And this home has 2 terraces, one in front here and one behind. So in all, 225 square meters plus the swimming pool included. So that's the whole territory of this villa. So this is a very nice quiet location. Nearby us we have a gym, and this gym is divided into 2 categories, for the grown-ups and for the children. It's a clean location. You don't have any favelas here. Just a nice, pristine, quiet location, all in all. Everything that was built here is practically brand new. This is part of the new development that's going on in Las Terrenas. So here we have a very nice neighborhood. So here we are in the living room and kitchen area. You can see the tiling's all done. Everything's done in here. All you need to do is throw in some furniture. They did all the facade work on this home also, so that's all done in as well. And you can see for yourselves with this inner works that a lot of effort was put into the construction work here. It's just top-notch, very good quality work. So right here in this corner, we're gonna have the kitchen. You can see that's where they're gonna put the plumbing stuff and hook up a sink and all that stuff. So when we looked at it in the first video, there was nothing here. There's just a skeleton. And here we can see the result of all the labor and all the work that went into developing this property. So as we can see by the plans here, we're going to have the sink. We're also going to have a gas stove here. Also going to have the ventilation right here. So everything is already set and ready. And the price of $390,000 US is for the way you see it right now, without the furniture and appliances. Of course, though, for a separate fee, if a client so wishes, they can do all the work unto their taste, you know, with the furniture, the appliances, and all that stuff. And with the AC, because here we only have the pre-installed system. And if you include that also, the total price will be $420,000 US. And that's with everything included. So here on the first floor, we can see that we have a lot of space here. It's a very big and spacious living room. With the kitchen included, this open plan is about 60 square meters. Out from the back of the living room, right here, we have access to the terrace that's in the back. It has a surface area of about 50 square meters. So on the next week, they're gonna cover all this, do this whole terrace, so that'll be done real quickly. You can see that it's pretty spacious, nice, big. It's very quiet here. Here you can also add on a unit as a separate investment. You can have like a living room area, bedroom, bathroom, and a little kitchenette, so like a studio out right here where this terrace is, and you can rent it out by the month. Also, the lawn work, the landscaping, like I said, will be done on the next week, so you have a nice carpet, green grass around this house. So now we're gonna go back to the house. Right here we have a bathroom. However, currently it's closed off, so we're gonna go to the next floor. And up there we have 3 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. So here are the stairs that are used to get to the second floor, and we have a nice window here, and up on top 2 more, and also right here we have everywhere tiling, so you can see that also. So here, like I said, we have 3 bedrooms. 2 of them are 15 square meters a piece, and also all the communications, all the electrical stuff is also done here quite well. So here we are in one of the bedrooms, and we have a window out here where you can see what's going on outside. And also right here we are, like I said, every bedroom here has its own bathroom. So here we are in the bathroom that goes to this bedroom. You can see here all you need to do is install a shower. Everything's done here. And of course the sink. By the way, the shower will have an open glass type design. And like I said in the beginning of the video, in the next 2 weeks all this work will be done. You'll see the new picture of how it all is when it's put together. And here we are in the second bedroom, and it has about the same surface area as the first bedroom. Pretty similar layout. Nothing really new, but still a very nice bedroom. And here we have the bathroom that goes to this bedroom. Similar layout. You're gonna have the shower here, the sink. Everything's the same as in the first bedroom. And like I said, $390,000, and this is going to be yours, all done, all nice. And now we're going to have a look at the master bedroom. This bedroom is slightly bigger because, well, it's the master bedroom. We have about 20 square meters there. Plus, this bedroom has access to the terrace via, its own little private balcony. It has access, it has more windows, a lot more natural light. And like all the other bedrooms, this bedroom also has its own bathroom, and here we can have a look at it. You have the toilet, and we're gonna have the shower here, the sinks, and all that. And I'd also like to add that you could have 2 sinks here, but that's up to you, however you deem fit. Also, I just had an idea. If you want to add a 4th bedroom, you can make one downstairs on the terrace, the back terrace. You can use that area at the walls and have another bedroom with its own bathroom, but that's up to you, and you can have 4 bedrooms instead of 3. So here we have the terrace with a wonderful view. It's about 50 square meters. So here on this terrace we have plenty of space. You can put a coffee table, a little umbrella, a grill, hang out here with your friends and family and enjoy yourself on the holidays, on the weekends, in the mornings and the evenings. And right in front of us, by the way, is that sports club, the gym that I told you about. They have a soccer field, tennis, a paddle, all that stuff. And all where you see the marshes, that's all going to be built out soon. More development is going to go there. More houses are going to be there. So you have some neighbors. Hopefully they'll be lovely. So anyways, from the top here, we can see our own lawn, our territory right here. There we have the swimming pool. Of course, the water isn't clean yet, but they'll install the filtration system and it'll be blue. That's just a matter of time. So, my dear friends, this is it. This is the house. It's almost completed. Just a little bit more work needs to be done. It's up on the market. It's listed, up for sale. And in 2 weeks, all the cosmetic work, all the plumbing and electricity will be done. And this house will be ready for any of you guys to move in. And all for $390,000 US. And if you want to buy it with the kitchen, the appliances, and with the air conditioning system done, that'll be $420,000 US. And this is a very good price for this area because the prices here keep on going up. The reason being, you have 2 accesses to the main road, and it's also in a quiet location, so it's very central to everything that's located here in Las Terrenas. So this area will keep on growing and keep on developing. I think this is a wonderful opportunity for a family, or if you want to invest some money into real estate here in the Dominican Republic. So if you are interested, all my personal contact information is in the description below. And also, right here to our right, there is another plot of land right here. And they already have a deal, a project set up to build another villa here. So if you're interested in that, also contact me on that. But here will not be a single standing villa, but a duplex. So there'll be 2, and they'll share this property together. If you're interested, please contact me. And these homes will have their own lawns, their own pool, and the surface area will be about 212 to 215 square meters. And they're up for sale for a good price. If you're interested, please contact me. This has been Yuri Constantina from the Dominican Republic. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time in my next videos. Goodbye.